What's up, YouTube? This is Rob from Boozer's Backwoods Chronicles with another project. Today we're going to put up some cabinets and a couple of bases and a countertop. It was graciously donated by my neighbor, and anyway, I've got all the stuff here and I'm ready to put it up. Here are the bases, here are the cabinets, plus I have one sitting over there now, and the countertop is down there. So all the supporting members are on 5-foot centers, which doesn't help me out for putting up cabinets. So I built this frame. It's basically framed around the footprint of the cabinets. And then I installed a board down here as a temporary support, so I can do this a lot easier by myself. This will hold the shelf. This will hold the cabinet up while I'm trying to fasten it. That feels pretty solid. There we go. I like it. Okay, let's see if the second one goes up that easy. It's a little bit bigger and heavier. Nice. I think it's gonna work. Second one up. Looking good. Okay, I guess I don't need this ledger board anymore, so I can go ahead and take it off. Hello, camera malfunction. Please stand by. Okay, let's try that again. I had the mount malfunction on me and broke, and we got another mount now. All right, that isn't going anywhere. Nice. Alright, I got the base units in place and I got the countertop on top and it looks pretty good. I have to leave these pieces hanging out over here on both sides. And that's mainly because my columns are on 5-foot centers and that won't work very well for fastening anything down. So I'll probably paint them to make them look a little better. Okay, made a little modification. Added 2 more cabinets out on the end. That hides the framing, makes it look a lot nicer. And I now have all the cabinets up. Got a little bit of work to do to fasten the countertop to the base, but I'll do that shortly.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get notifications of all the new videos.